Guys, so I recently started this new journey. Well, it's been ongoing, but I thought I'd start sharing it on YouTube. Maybe other people might get some tips out of it. They can ask questions if they struggle with similar models. So I recently started working on vehicles, rebuilding, buy, fix up and sell. So I bought this nightmare of an Audi S3, the 8L model. Whew, what a nightmare this thing was. The paintwork was horrible. There were running marks from the clear coat everywhere. Ended up blowing the head gasket with only two test runs and so on. Driving to work twice. Head gasket decided to go. So I took that out. Realized that the turbo was also faulty. So yeah, here's a little bit about the car. You will see the progress that I have done so far. These people had the rims purple. Oh, it was just an utter nightmare. So I spent around 57,000 Rand. I'm here in South Africa, and yeah, let's hopefully see if I can fix this up and sell it for a profit, because that's what it's all about. So yeah, please, if you guys like my content, leave a like, share, comment, subscribe. I will be posting more as I go on with the project. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And yeah, let me show you the car that I'm busy with. So this is currently, I've sanded most of it down. It's now on its rough form. I will be sanding it again with finer sandpaper. So I had to, it's been standing here under the workplace for now. Hopefully one day I'll be able to upgrade and get it redone. So basically, took the head off. The head is cracked. Two of the valves, right there between two of the valves, there's cracks. So I'm going to be looking for a second-hand head before I put the gasket back. Turbo I sent in, replaced the core, because the fins were broken. So yeah, now it's basically, I think it's just one more bolt at the back that I need to tighten down. Then always remember this one, port or this port, you need to put in oil, so that there's a little bit of oil in the system. Make sure that the bottom pipes are connected before you do that. Otherwise you might have oil leaking out of it at the bottom. So it's never good to start a turbo without a little bit of oil inside its cooling system. So yeah, there's a little syringe that I put in here of oil, so that when this bad boy is put back together, then I can start it up, and the first spool it makes, there will be oil greasing those bearings, so that we don't have any issues go down the line. I think the guy that fixed it did a very good job. Didn't charge me much, charged me 3,100 bucks. Well, I gave him a 100 bucks extra because, yeah, I felt sorry because I was a little bit late for the meeting. And yeah, watch out for this bolt when you remove it, the one down there. That thing hurt. It slipped, hit my finger here. It was not fun at all. So yeah, the inside also needs work. Let me show you guys the inside. So it's hanging here. I will be redoing most of the interior. I put a little bit of carbon fiber here to make it look a little bit better, because this thing was also very bad. The roof needs to be redone. The seat here, as you can see, got the head bolts, got my gasket kit. Yeah, the seats need a little bit of work. Both of them do. So yeah, back seats look pretty okayish. But yeah, these people fiddled with everything. It's an utter nightmare. But we're gonna fix it. Hopefully we're gonna make our money back plus a little bit extra. It's a very decent car. There's one dent highlighted. So I sanded it down with a block to highlight where it doesn't go through. It means there's a small dent there. Here's 3 small dents there. Yeah, not even the headlights work on this car. So oh yeah, this is the color it was, purple, but it's peeling off at least. Not too difficult in peeling this nonsense off. My brother-in-law will be joining me eventually on the journey. He'll be helping me finish the car and so on, and get in tip-top running condition. Bump here in the front, but nothing too major. Look at the overspray. I mean, these guys really, the previous owners didn't care for this car at all. I mean, look at the bonnet is red. It also, apparently it flipped open, cracked the windscreen, slammed it here while the guy was driving on the highway. These, I was just doing a test run just to see. This is not the finished product yet. So the other mirror is, they're supposed to look like this, maybe a little bit more chromy, but yeah, they sprayed it the same color as the car. Even the rubber linings all have clear coat on them. It is horrible. I'm not sure if you can see there. It's all over the show. It's like, ugh, I don't know what these people were thinking, but yeah, picked it up for a bargain. These cars sell for about, in good running condition, I saw one in good condition for about 150,000 Rand. But then yeah, it's gonna have to look stunning. So join me on the journey. Hopefully we get this car looking like a beaut.